7th generation Toyota Camry from 2012 to 2017. I want to show you how to do the rear brakes. Let's get it. I'm just gonna lose this 14 millimeter. I grab my flat screwdriver and I push the piston like so. All the way. Now I can remove this. Same length. It's 17s. I feel kind of lazy. Electric ratchet. Same length. Bracket off. Remove the rotor. Tap it with the hammer. Come off. Reuse this rubber. Spray some brake cleaner. Gucci. This rubber, just poke it. We're gonna reuse this, put in the new rotor. This brand new rotor comes with grease. You see it, right? If you don't, well, you feel it. No, I didn't mount it wrong. Okay, that grease, get rid of it. Some brake cleaner. Now I can flip it. Spray some more brake cleaner. Wipe it. You remember this little guy? Just gonna pop it in here. Lights out. This is how the bracket looked like. Pretty rusty. We're here in the east. If it's not that damaged, the hardware, you can replace it. The brand new brake pads come with new hardware. If it's not damaged, you can reuse it. Just brush it. Spray some brake cleaner and brush it. Both sides. Look kinda better. Not this part. The hardware. Now I'm gonna re-grease it. Gucci. This guys, make sure it go in and out. If it doesn't, remove it, wipe it, re-grease it, put it back. This one's Gucci. Now just mount it. Same way you remove it, same way you put it back. Now, the brake pads come with a clip. This clip is going to tell you when you need to replace your brake pads before it destroys the rotor. So if you get like that, and you mount it just like this. The same in the back. Hi. Ooh. Almost. Some silicone there too. You don't have to push the piston because you push it before you dismount it. You Gucci. Put it back. Put back the 14s. Tight nugget. Mount the tires. Let's go to the next step. Mount the tires. Right here, where everything is beautiful, we're gonna step on the brake pedal. That's gonna be soft. Then it's gonna start getting harder. Now it's hard. pause. Now after this, we go to the engine bay. This is how you open the hood. Come over here, engine bay. We locate the brake fluid reservoir. Remove the cap. If you need fluid, it's gonna tell you here, only the 3 fluid. Now right here you have the max mark. Minimum. It's around here. Okay. We check the level of the fluid. It's really low. We're gonna top it off with that 3. This is that 3. Brake fluid that 3. Oh, it needs way more. It's right there at the bottom. You see the yellow thing, right? The yellow fluid. Should be good. Okay. It's right there at the mark. Now that you top it off, put the cap back, press it, that's it. Now road test it, and it should be Gucci. Guys, don't forget to support the channel. If you like this video, give it a like, share. Anything you want to say about this car, put in the comment box. Let me know what you think about this car, your experience, and all that. Don't forget to subscribe. Holla at your boy, Stu. Catch me in the next one. I'm out.